Test bench menu, we have different AC, DC transient analysis. We also have all the measurement components here corresponding to them. We're going to go ahead and go into the sim AC, and you could set inner sweeps, outer sweep, same thing for the same tran, inner sweep, outer sweep. We can override the variables in there, by the way. Here we're going to look at the settling time measurement. You can set the window where you want to take that measurement. Now we're going to set the load capacitor to a variable called C load, and we'll initially start it at 1 picofarad. You'll notice that variables show up in the AR setting menu under variables, and what we're going to do is we're going to add the C load to the corners area, and you'll see it show up in the typical variables. And what we're going to now do is add another corner called slow and change C load to 2 pico to be used in the slow corner. After we do that, we're going to go ahead and run the simulation, and we have full back annotation. So when we look at the waveform, we'll be able to see the voltages, currents, and op points based on the time point that we click onto in the waveform. So there you go, the differential output. We'll click onto the down the hierarchy to see what's going on down there. We'll go ahead and click onto the waveform. You'll see the the voltages in millivolts represented in the schematic adjust to the point that we click onto the waveform, the currents, and here's the measurements as well.